One of the routine maintenance items to do on any car is checking the oil level regularly. Before you do this, you need to make sure the car is parked on a level surface and that you've got a dirty cloth that you can afford to get covered in oil, and ideally you probably want to wear gloves so that your hands don't get too dirty. On a VW, the oil dipstick is often at the front of the engine, and as you can see here, it's coloured orange. First of all, remove the dipstick and clean all the oil off it so that we know it's completely clean. You can then reinsert the dipstick into the engine block and remove it so you can see where the oil markings are. You may find that it's quite difficult to see on a Passat in particular, because the oil and the dipstick are the same colour, so it may take a couple of goes to be able to monitor where the engine oil level is. What you're looking for is the level to be between the max and the min here, so somewhere in this area will be the correct level for the oil. If the oil needs topping up, then make sure you use the correct grade of oil, which for VWs is very specific, and there's another video on my channel that shows how to look, particularly for VW diesel engines, which grade of oil that you need.